Thank you for visiting our website and specifically our page regarding jeweler's block insurance. Now, you most likely got here because you own a business in jewelry. So whether it's, retail, wholesale, manufacturing, maybe you have a pawnbroker shop, but you hold a stock of jewelry inventory and you want to make sure it's protected for any loss or damage. You've worked really hard to build up your inventory of jewelry. It's valuable and you want to make sure it's covered. So down below, you can read a little more on this page about jeweler's block insurance. They're typically written on all peril type policies, all risk, with specific exclusions. And we talk about that a little more on this page. But you also got here maybe because you want to know what the cost of jeweler's block insurance is. Now, that varies substantially based on the size of your inventory, your history in business, your claims history, and your protective safeguards. And that's all stuff that we're going to need to know to put a program together for you and to help you manage your risk and protect your assets. So if you go down below, read our blog, understand a little more about jeweler's block insurance, and then fill out the form at the bottom. We will have an associate of Fusco or Senior Associates reach out to you and put together a program for your jeweler's block coverage. Thank you so much for visiting, and we'll see you soon.